First day of the pairs, Lindholme pairs, and still got a sitting draw bag. Let's have a look at reaction. You will know from reaction when because it's so mild, you're going to need two really good ones today. You're going to want 120 plus today. So that was there going in. Here we go. Let's have a look at reactions at face. Oh, smiling. Oh yeah, you look yet?
We've got a bonsai and laurels.
Just a minute, we've got a bonsai and laurels. Right, let's have a look then.
17 bonsai, I'll cry.
Put it down on the table, what we got?
That's alright.
63 bonsai's alright.
That's alright.
Well,
That'll be unpicked.
Right, well, I put 24 in because they're not great pegs, but
Not worse.
there's a lot of fish there. Right, that's straightforward. You're going to bonsai and I go on that one.
Right, okay.
Straightforward.
Yeah, alright.
I don't think we're going to get 120 from them. But 21, I was on 17 the other day.
There was some fish up
There was
there.
some, all fish have been up that end, so, and that one is my favourite peg on
That's
bonsai.
that nice bait, isn't it?
I think we can catch £80 from them too.
Quite possibly,
And,
yeah.
and we're half a chance, so.
Yeah.
Oh well, let's get stuck in. What you got?
21 laurels.
This is Dave and Dave. Let's have a look. Put them down there. 36 bonsai. Oh, that's alright. Oh, that could be good. 34 local.
Loads of fish in corner.
Yeah. They're like, I don't know, same as us, middle rope pegs. Yeah, just try and catch £80 and keep in it. You know, between you, that's your target. Right, let's go. Right, here we are, day one of the pairs. We're right looking forward to this. As Adam says, we've got to win it this year, Dad. It's the only thing we haven't won. No, it's the only thing you haven't won. So, but we've not got two good draws, I'll be honest with you. It's as you can see, I'm on laurels. The other day, over there. We're in that bay there on 17. Today I've drawn 21. There you go, look. Now, all fish have been this end. Anyway, I'll come to that in a minute. And she's drawn 63 as you've seen on bonsai. Now 63s are great. My favourite peg on bonsai in winter when it's cold. I don't think it's cold enough because the fish are still in shallow pegs in like 83, 81, 79. We shed that weight all the day. But like I've always said, I'll never complain about 63. It's in the middle of two islands. You've got two island points and you catch a load of fish down the middle there. When it's cold, that's where they used to live, that's where they go. So we'll see. And it's so mild, it's ridiculous. But this one is not good. Although fish have been at this end, for example. Other day on 33, which is that one there, in festival, but I think it was MPEG, it had 100 odd pound. And that peg there, 23, qualified for the ultimate. The day was £60 and there was a £60 there and a £60 there. So there have been some fish here. And this is the peg that Martin were on, I had to give him £1. Oh, one just come up there. That's the first fish I've seen top since I've got here. That's the first fish I've seen top, which tells me they're close to island. So as target really is, I mean, there's some teams like, oh, another one, oh crikey. I can't get under there, but the top end there, which tells me I can get under that little bit there, which is a great sign. Some teams have got two really good ones and they're going to have like 120 plus today. And I think we've got to fish, try and catch £80 plus. Don't get me wrong, I know you can catch more, but you're going, because it's mild and warm, you're going to need an 80 plus to keep in it. You could be out of it today. It's stupid, I know, but I don't want to come up there. I haven't seen a fish top till I started filming. They're obviously love being up camera. So my target is both of us to catch £40. Now I think we've got two pegs, we can do that. And what else is a bonus, I think, today. So normally you want to be down at the other end. Andy Oldham's on 2 and Speedy's on 4 on Benny's there. You've got 2 right draws. But I had £20 out of that bait the other day. I couldn't get any bites. I've had 7 fish, couldn't catch. But like I said to you, I don't like that. Now I don't mind being here if I'm the only one in the bay. But there's 2 of us. And the fish that were topping the other day along that bank were ridiculous. calf. I could see him from where I was. So them two are going to catch some fish because 36 is in opposite and 23. But I've got a lot of water. I've got a nice island I can fish at back here. So my two lines are going to be there, because I can get quite close. And I'm going to feed here somewhere there for last hour, because I caught a big F1 the other day, like close. And our Emma says they're topping all over on bonsai, so she'll get a few fish, she will. You know, so I think we've got 2 pegs we can catch, well, maybe 40 a piece on it, and that's what we've got to do today. It's about, because it's 8 matches, best 6 to count. But when it gets cold, you're fishing for 20 and 30 pound, it's different. With it being a weight match, over a lot of one day, look, tops at Island. They've just started topping, it's crackers, isn't it? So yeah, so I'm just going to fish. Other day there weren't many F1s, it were nearly all carp, so I'm going to just change it a little bit. Another one side of Island, look. Well, that's all. We're all topping close to Island today. That's interesting. Yeah, air show from Aaron, thank you Aaron. Free air show, look, there you go. So we'll see what happens. But the tackle is straightforward. 2 rods, 2 bomb rods, I'm not going to mess about, it's carp. Pellets, you can see, just about. Oh, look at that, look at that, Godfather today. For my birthday. And I've got some great news I'm going to tell everybody next week, but I'm sworn to secrecy. I can't tell anybody. But I do love my tray system, look at that. How good's that? Oh, you're all going to have these, I'll tell you. You're all going to have them. They are fantastic, I love them. But yeah, so Mr. and Mrs. Archer bought me, that's my birthday, the Godfather. Them were the days, I remember it well. So, oh, another one took. I never saw a fish ton also on the topping. So, we'll see, I'll let you know how we get on. But I think today is a day of getting an £80 on. And we will be behind with that, there's no doubt about that. But it's like I said, it's over 8 matches, so I'll let you know. Right, that's the end. And I've had 7 carp and 8 F1s, I reckon, of £45. I think I've left 1 behind, maybe 2, but I can't grumble. And our Emma's had 30 fish, so she's admitting to £60. So we're going to have £100 between us. We'll just snap your hand off for that at start, I'll tell you. So really chuffed with that. So I've caught, what have I had? I've had 3 carp there, about 3 metres off island, round about there, and 8 F1s, and I kept feeding there, and I kept having a chuck, never had a bite, and then about an hour and 15 to go, I've chucked it in, and I've had 3 carp in 3 chucks, and then I've had another carp, and then I chucked back out there going F1, so between the two, like I say, I've got 7 and 8. I think them 8 F1s will be £16, 7 4s, 28. Yeah, I'll have 44. I might have a bit more, like 45, £46. So yeah. So I don't know how the rest of the lakes caught. I know a couple of lakes won't fish here well. Let's hope they don't. So, but I'll be honest with you, if you'd have offered us £100 off these 2 pegs, we'd have took it, I think, today. So, but yeah, good start. I'll let you know. Just caught on pellets, 6mm pellets. Just kept feeding, and yeah, quite chuffed really. I'll let you know. Right, just got back, and we've had a good day, if I'm honest. Our Emma's weighed £66. 30 fish on bonsai, and I had, which I think was second on bonsai, and I weighed £53 something, and won a lot of best weight on laurel. So we've had £120, and we've actually won it on the day. So that's a great start, and I didn't expect us to win off them 2 pegs, I'll be honest with you, but we've probably been on the right 2 lakes today, the way it's been, the way it's fished, and the way that it is. But great start, and our David and David, Purchase and Bell, they've come second. They've had £109, I think they've had. And our David won't match individually with £80. David Purchase, £80. I've pegged 36. I'd have gone, man, if I'd have drawn that. He's fished a proper blinder. £82 he's had, and and Belly were on 34, which not been great on Loco. He's had 20 odd pounds, so we're first and second teams. It's fantastic. So and that is an absolute credit. Our David catching £82 win it match and win it pairs is an absolute credit to hard work and determination and fight of what what you do to at this level. And fair play to him. He puts loads of work in. He goes down practicing. He's got his own way of catching them. He goes all the time. So fair play to him. So we've had a right start between us. So yeah, really chuffed with that. Adam's had a great week, hasn't she? So first round at pairs, we're winning it, and is there 8? I think there's eight to go. No, there's 7 to go now. Best 6 to count. So we've got a really good counter in that, and because in a few weeks when it gets cold, let me tell you, £30 will be a good weight on to individually. So, and we've caught on Bomb pellet, but that one I don't think that were the right way today. I think an hybrid were the right way early. And I think that's how our David's caught. But honestly, I'm so excited for us all. It's unbelievable. But fair play to the David. So they've done well. They've come second, but no stopping our Emma at the moment. She's had £66, and it's just look. I mean, apparently we're not putting bonsai in on Aero on Tuesday. I think that'll change because it's fishing better than anywhere at the moment. It's fish all over the place. So. But we'll see anyway. So, so that's a good week, especially for RM. And we've put us in on board. And we're full steam ahead now. Tuesday is the start of the Aero League. I think we're about 12 matches. Thursday, I remember, she's not going on Thursday because she's qualified. So I've got to go on Thursday to try and qualify. And then Saturday, it's the individual. So we're on the individual next Saturday. The individual Saturday's about 80 on that, I think. So... Christ knows, we're all bomb and feeder fishing, so it's all bomb and feeder. So it's work, and full steam ahead now. It's I can't get a job. It's unbelievable. I'm just worn out all the time. If you believe that, you believe all. So yeah, definitely a Chinese tour. I can't tonight. I'm going to my favourite club, my Pit Club presentation. I'm doing a presentation there. I've had to think of a couple of stories up for them at old days. And it's the lads that brought me up, so it's their presentation night, so I'm off there to get prizes out and meet some of my old mates from the past, 55 years ago and things like that, so I can't wait to meet them all again. It's a special place for me because they brought me up, South Kirby Pit Club, and it's a club that's been going 70 years, and it's still strong as anything. They've got their own water and everything. Incredible what's happened. And I love going back there, so I'm going back there tonight. So I'm going to be worn out tomorrow. But I've got some big news to tell you, but I can't tell you yet. And I've got a massive smile on my face, but I can't tell you yet because I've been sworn to secrecy regarding my family. We've had a little addition, but I'll tell you later. Have a great night, because I'll promise you one thing, I'm going to do.